Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to check text message history on Android. Checking your text message history on Android lets you revisit past conversations and important information easily, whether it's for personal reference or work. Accessing old messages can be very useful. In this guide, you'll learn how to view your complete message history step by step and one at a time. First things first, unlock your Android phone, then go to your home screen. Locate and tap the Messages app, the default SMS app. Wait for your conversations to load, then scroll through the list of conversations. Tap the contact or phone number you want to view. Scroll up inside the conversation to see other messages. Keep scrolling to load more message history. Use the search icon, usually at the top. Type a keyword, name, or phone number. Tap a result to jump to that specific message. Tap the three dots, menu, in the top corner. Choose Settings or Archived if looking for archived messages. Open Archive Conversations by tapping your profile icon at the top, then tap Archive to view hidden chats. If messages are missing, you can check your backup or restore settings in the app. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.